Hello you beautiful peeps, and ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Yes, I know I'm a little bit early. The reason being, if you want to order one of these little beauties for your children, you probably should order it pretty soon because it can take up to 90 days to get here. Personally, I really like it, and from what I've seen online, a lot of the comments are along the same lines. It looks very, very cool. What we need to know today though is it durable enough for the kids? Is it something you can consider spending your hard-earned money on to get this for their Christmas present? So, this is the JJ-RC Q117E, and you're watching John Robinson RC. Booyah! What's in the box? You have the car, you have a 7.4 volt lithium ion battery, you have the controller. This is the one part of the package that I'm not 100% convinced of. It does feel a little bit too plasticky, but saying that, we'll see whether it actually can handle what we throw at it today. And this is the only other thing that's in the box. You do have a set of drift tyres, that's what we're really looking forward to. Instructions, charger, and a few tools, a screwdriver there. That's about it, but that's really all you need. So let me just show you the LED lights as well, because I think they're actually pretty funky. Normal, look at that, reminding me of Knight Rider as that goes around like that. Off, and then back to that. And also when you go left and right, you get the indicators on it. How cool is that? Anyway, I'm a big kid, let's get on. Okay, as this is designed for the younger audience, we've got Colin driving today, so we'll get his opinion at the end. Let's see how it goes, shall we? Okay, as essentially these are the rally tyres, we thought we'd bring it onto a little bit of gravel and see how it handles it. Just want to quickly point out, this car has now got the drift tyres on, and please remember that with the drift tyres it means that you'll be able to drive this at home, and that's very important, A, for kids, and B, for the winter. So if you're an adult that's picked up one of these, driving this at home, that I have already done, but I'm not going to show you the footage now. We've come to an actual area where we think the kids are going to be driving it the most, being a play area, to see how these drift tyres handle. So keep it in mind. I think it's a great all-rounder from what I've seen so far, but how well it's going to drift on the rubbery play area surface, we just don't know. So let's find out together. It seems to handle pretty well, Colin.
It does.
Is it easy to control?
Very easy and very smooth.
Of all the drift cars we've got, how is this one handling?
One of the best.
One of the best? That's not bad then.
390 brushed motor and a 30 amp ESC, 7.4 volt lithium ion battery, super tiny 5-wire servo, friction shocks front and rear, and roughly 35 kilometers an hour top speed.
So, ladies and gents, what did you think of that footage? What do you think of this capable little drift car? Did it surprise me? One surprised dude right here. Both Colin and myself have agreed that this is the easiest drift car to drive of all of the ones that we've driven. And we've driven quite a few now. In addition to that, this is the one without the gyro on it. From what I've seen, I've checked all of the documentation, cannot find anything about gyro. If it does have the gyro on it, then I can say for sure it's the best gyro, but I honestly do not think it does. I've tried the wiggling and it's not reacting whatsoever. So the price of this little beauty is at $95 US. The SG1603, for example, is a little bit more expensive, but they've also got one which is the brush version, which is around it hovers around between 70 and 85 US. And that does have a gyro on it, but it doesn't have the metal top deck or a few other things on it. Which one would I buy out of both of those two, for example? I'm definitely, personally, going to pick this one just because it's so easy to use. You saw that Colin managed to hit everything he wasn't aiming for today. Isn't that right, Colin?
No?
Sure. Can I ask your opinion? Is it something that you would buy? You would want this one over the SG1603?
I would definitely buy it for the drifting.
You would? In fact, I'll be honest with you, ladies and gents, Colin's just asked if he can have this one, which is not usually like him. He's happy to know that they're upstairs for him to use when he wants, but this one he's actually asked if he can have after this review because he's found it so enjoyable. So it's got Colin's stamp of, what? Quality, assurance, funability, should we call it, because we both had a lot of fun. I don't know if you just saw on the onboard footage of me driving it round and round while Colin was relaxing in the swing. I had the biggest smile on my face. It's thoroughly enjoyable. And the fact, after, all joking aside, Colin hit every metal bar in this playground and nothing has broken on it. I mean, even the bumper's barely damaged. I have to say that's incredibly impressive indeed. And it goes more than fast enough. Any faster, you're going to lose control of it. So I think they've got the speed right as well. So can I recommend this for your kids? Can Colin recommend it for your kids and for yourself, for big kids like me? He's nodding behind the camera, I'm nodding in front of it, definitely. Run and buy this without a shadow of a doubt. You're not going to be disappointed, and your children for sure are not going to be disappointed. Use the links in the description below. It costs you no more, but it gives me a little bit of commission so I can buy future products for the channel. That helps the channel grow. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I wish you a Merry Christmas. Yes, I know I'm early. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Bye-bye. I'm such a professional. I am so good at what I do. One take, that's all I need, one take. How many takes? 2 takes, 3 takes? No, no, one take. You haven't stopped again, have you? You are in trouble. I'm gonna get you.